Operating system lies in the category of system software. It basically manages all the resources of the computer. Operating system can be defined as an interface between user and hardware. It is responsible for the execution of all the processes, resource allocation, CPU management, file management, and many other tasks. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs in convenient and efficient manner. The operating system helps in improving the computer software as well as hardware. Without operating system, it became very difficult for any application to be user-friendly. It comes with a large number of device drivers that make OS services reachable to the hardware environment. It is one of the most important parts of the system, and hence it is present in every device, whether large or small device. Functions of the operating system are resource management, process management, memory management, security, job accounting, file management, device management, networking, user interface, backup and recovery, virtualization, performance monitoring, time sharing, system calls, error detecting aids. There are objectives of an operating systems are convenient to use, user-friendly, easy access, management of resources, controls and monitoring, fair sharing of resources. Let's discuss different types of operating systems like batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multiprocessing operating system, multitasking operating system, network operating system, real-time operating system, time-sharing operating system, distributed operating system. Examples of operating systems are Windows, GUI-based, PC, GNU/Linux, personal, workstations, ISP, file, and print server, 3-tier client, server. macOS, Macintosh, it is used for Apple's personal computers and workstations, MacBook, iMac. Android, it is Google's operating system for smartphones/tablets/smartwatches. iOS, this is Apple's OS for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. The objective of this video was to know about an operating system.